Surprise Planet. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Surprise Planet. Today we are making books, so this is what you'll need. You'll need a magnet that can open and close easily. And if you want to make several books, you can use all of them if you had. Scissors, hot glue, but most importantly, paper. So let's get started, guys. And there we go, guys, our brand new book. And of course, books rock. Subscribe to LS Surprise Planet. Check out my other videos. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. LS Surprise Planet.